What you think, Coach? You think we ought to get back in here and get to work? I agree 100%. There we go. Again. Well, it's easier for me down here on the ground level. Look out, ridiculous dog. But I want to go all 1.5 feet, 2 feet deep, and same across. I'm going to build my irrigation trenches out of the dirt. Most of the dirt that comes out of this hole, and you can see behind me, probably not because it's dried overnight and it's all the same monochrome look again. But you dig the, break it up. Back at the Willow Wild, I have 2 gravel shaker boxes that I would pour this into and shake the rocks out. But this isn't that gravel. And there's not very many big rocks in here. But again, here we go. And then you sing yourself some more garden songs. Sing some Jethro Tull this time. Skating away, hey. Skating away, hey. Skating away, hey. On the thin ice of a new day, hey, hey. Hey, 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 hey. Oh, that's for my other hat. That's the Badger song. We sang Skating Away while we were working our asses off on board the USS Badger. I got the Jefferson hat on today. Thomas Jefferson, we sang one song. You picked a fine time to leave me, Lucille. You picked a fine time to leave me, Lucille. 400 children and a crop in the field. I've had some sad times, been through some bad times. This time the hurt didn't want to heal. You picked a fine time to leave me, Lucille. Sing it with me, fellas. You picked a fine time to leave me, Lucille. 400 children and the crops in the field. I've had some sad times, been through some bad times, but this time the heart didn't want to heal. You picked a fine time to leave me, Lucille. That was it. I'm talking about nuclear reactor qualified monster technicians and operators. Drunk as a skunk in a little bar on Guam with Dave Griffin playing the piano and Bill Milton dancing up on the table after he drank 17 beers in 3 minutes and 25 seconds. These are the people who you thank every day. Thank you for your service. You picked a fine time to leave me, Lucille. Keep stepping in these holes. That's gonna hurt if I don't watch that. Come on, Tilly, let's go operate the game cam.